Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 2.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices retreated on Friday as investors weighed expectations of a rise in OPEC Plus supply starting in October, alongside dwindling hopes of a hefty US interest rate cut next month, following data showing strong consumer spending. A broadening rally in US stocks is offering an encouraging signal to investors worried about concentration in technology shares, as markets await key jobs data and the Federal Reserve's expected rate cuts in September. The Canadian dollar held on to much of its monthly gain against its US counterpart on Friday, as investors expect the global economy would avoid recession, and Canadian GDP data did little to alter expectations for Bank of Canada interest rate cuts.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Italy's gross domestic product will be released at 8 GMT, the Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT, the Dutch market manufacturing PMI at 5 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT, the UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 2301 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.